The wisdom and experience that comes with age combines with modern technology and education in the father and son practice at the Homeopathic Plus Center. Harmeet Singh Suri, owner of the center where his father Surinder is an associate, will tell us about the benefits of this generational blend. You're watching Daily Web TV. Combining the old with the new is a winning combination, and Harmeet Singh Suri of the Homeopathic Plus Center is here to explain why. Harmeet, I've said old with the new, and I'm obviously referring to your father. Tell me about your father and why the old with the new works here.
I myself would be bringing the technology part of the system into practice. And technology is limited and it has flaws. My father's experience allows us to correct the flaws in the technology.
Correct the flaws in the technology. Okay, so we're talking about homeopathic treatment and here at your clinic. Your father has 35 years experience, never with any technology involved,
Correct.
Obviously, so he's got the wisdom. You're the youth and have come in with the diagnostic, electronic diagnostic equipment. Is
That's
that what
correct.
you're referring to? So what types of things will we be talking about?
Well, when people do come to us or patients come to us, they basically get a feel for both. Technology is used to speed up the process of the research, which might take months if in the older conventional method. It would
Okay.
take maybe about 30 days to maybe 45 days before we can even give a medicine. And the experience that we have corrects that issue again. So when I bring in a chart to my father, he's able to immediately look at it and say, okay, this question or there's a flaw here that we need to investigate more and to correct it. So it helps to get the right medicine and a faster cure for the patient. So he's benefiting.
So when a patient comes in, what should they expect to go through with you? Are they seeing both you and your father? And
Not necessarily. That's done at the back. I mean, we cannot have both people sit at one consultation.
Right.
However, it's the decision is based on them filling our forms. Once they fill our forms online, we get a better grasp of who is more experienced for the situation.
Oh, really? Okay,
Yes.
very interesting. So somebody fills out a form online. What type of form is this?
It's an actual very detailed form. It has 44 questions, and
Wow.
that covers a very broad spectrum of their lives. And that helps us to prepare ourselves for them.
What type of questions might you expect? I mean, what is the goal of this form?
Well, the form is basically to get an insight of the person. It's to cover the plane, the emotional, the physical, and mental plane of the whole individual, to cover his background, his history, everything. I mean, it's very detailed. So, I mean, we can elaborate on it and it would take a long time, but it is very elaborate. And it takes, I think, an hour or more for patients just to fill it out online because it's so much detail we're asking them.
Amazing. So obviously someone who's going to take the time must be serious about getting to the root of the problem.
Yes.
So once I've filled out this form and sent it in, when I come in to see you, what can I expect?
When patients come into the clinic, we educate them on the principles of homeopathy. We inform them and we listen to all aspects of their lives in order to get a better assessment of the case.
So this is obviously why these sessions are quite long when you come in for your initial
That's true.
consultation. Do you feel that this sets you apart from other homeopathic clinics?
Yes, of course. We get to the root cause of the problem and we allow our patients to have full access to us 24/7. They're able to contact us through our cell phones. They have web access, which is very friendly for them, and they get to see their case anytime they want.
Wow, that's almost unheard of these days.
Yes, that's true.
Well, it sounds terrific. Thanks so much, Harmeet. And if someone would like to find out how to get this great care, how will they find you?
They can go to our website, homeopathicpluscenter.com, or they can call us on my cell phone, 416-825-9289.
Great, thanks.
Thank you.
Attentive one-on-one care at the Homeopathic Plus Center. Keeping you informed, I'm Sheila Clark, and you've been watching Daily Web TV.